ɛha onim ɛyɛ na adeɛ bi wɔ asantefoɔ ho a ɛyɛ na tɔrɔ bi a metia ɛyɛ na ɛyɛ me dene sa ɛyɛ me sere asantefoɔ bebuo nyinaa yɛ corrupt ɔmo bebuo nyinaa almost 90% ni nyinaa yɛ corrupt etua yɛn ho ɔsi etua diom ɛyɛ corrupt ɛyi abebuo
sɛne sɛm
aha o search be order ɛte sɛ o sayem ɛyɛ corrupt sɛ wo po bi esisi wo po bi ebuna bu asantefoɔ bɛn you go scot free. That is the country we are living in. No, I'm speaking to me as Antonio. I know what I'm saying. Metebeso. Okay. Metebe.
Na obofwe. Bebre na ka say ejuma eni oman Ghana na say wiase afane mu anything na ama te say ni kunkum any money rituals no ados no eno oni omoya agen
eno de one part of it. What you say?
Okay.
Obi nka je so nya adwuma enu ti twa ho nanu moja. What you say? Ghana ha no ye nya mentality bi say by all means what say ni ye jan nyema bi ama nyema ye saa ma ye ho ya dane ya tene ho ama ye mfofo abedane ye kwaye bi no corrupt ayi abebuo no what na ama mfofo abedane o kwaye ta ye o kwaye ntinka be eso no wade ye sei ya tene ho mfofo abedane ye kwaye say nyema we ba no we have people omo kaseti aye ye titum ye ti kromu wa na ye say sex education on TV station ye ti one asadane 3 years ni the educational structure no e politics etienne Ghana obi wo ha na SHS wo wie no kon 4 years ebi kon 3 years and then wo mu koi e school papa bi no mo kon
say free education.
What is free education? Let all the free education asem ne yeka we are talking about our educational structure and then kola ye nyom nso he say ye ntia kola e wo school ye mfeli kola wo school syllabus kola ye de kire kola de and then syllabus last year syllabus bi we course e school bi am problem say kola ne e ko coronavirus break
For evidence be now.
Asama mi ken I'm saying it on national thing asama mi ko bi me ka jem say me boa omo a post comment they should come and tell me I'm lying. I'm telling you factual things.
Evidence.
Oh, they didn't get any syllabus. We're seeing a club. Yes, that's the country we are living in. And it's a woman. They told to be also so. I the kind of music we listen.
Come about the boho.
And you must say it in Kwasiano. I mean, Pessa, made you be a illustration on this.
But me, I can't.
But I say, you know, the kind of music that we listen. So, when you Jessica, Nenye, forget, and you know, crowd obedience. That is what they use are targeting.
But I think say your born or no other musical or that
body or free sugar.
We're free sugar. Now Jordan, no, I think so. So basically, be a
down only music. There be a new dear music content there. You can't say will be music content. A yarn I said,
but sending leading to that, and the youth.
I don't know. Make I say Yama Quine say National Media Commission or Mujuma or Moye. Yeah, the regulations is bahwa. Sweetheart, ebe boy nyina. Enye nsamfu bia na beta TV so abebe. Eni eti TV ho, wo ho na wo ba abekisi wafo no. That let me give you a peck. Me say ayi Monterage ni ayi Sukunach wo mu kisi. No abodi tantan. Enne me say Rosalinda sha sie say eba. On Ghana on. Ye mu be so damn e bi ma Jimmy to the stand say omudi Mexican soaps abano sa series no I can't remember Rosalinda time eba Mary Cruz uhwebi someone kwasafola na sa Mary Cruz mu eba ya ma Guana Lavahe. Guana Lavahe. Oh, the day. Titi Sama make a note, Titi Zampa. Guana Lavahe. That time, let me kinda, Messi Swana, me tramp for. Let me call dear Buffy and me quack your head. Me quack again, see what share with Alinda. Me rap and no nama, sir, soaps no, me quack no be seen.
Not also to send a Sabrin Monaco wasn't a dish.
Yes, I see, and you all saw it. And there will be a proud to say, or share with Alinda. Will be a proud so share one alabae.
1990s for no.
Oh, you see, Satan has had money in a chassis, yet no regularity, and I didn't say, so who are you to blame?
Nothing like be a dinny now air box to board a buy.
They are the regulators. Over the regularity and
yeah. I think you individual and you can discipline yourself.
Sweetheart, Mamika Samanchero. We are living in a country. First, not TV, I know my share a Ghana television, GTV. And a GTV, or share or more a kind news look like shame creating more do TV. You don't quick a studio so. Utie sounds quite too but you.
They don't to bomb.
No, you're bomb, I'm being real. Okay. No, you see, Ghana on. Sabi, ya, I said, Yama no Kran, Yakata no Kran Susama to say a fufu yada near quiet. GTV near that time radio so a joy and a GCR and another radio no actually no na Prince FM for buy and other radio stations will buy first no say so bonum kan nyanyum papa
yo ye chim free ho
time me misua DJ misua radio me DJ no na ye wo timer ye bonum bi ye wo time bi ye monum bi ye wo do ha green e bi ye red e bi ye yellow anyum ni nya target categories abeko before babonum no air no na wadi kan akọ studio akọ tete nyum no anyum no wo ba bia bia ahye
I think the Sam Ren na Rollins na e wo so wo
enye the Rollins na e wo so na regulation na hye ye adwuma hye ye adwuma no bi be ka say oh at that time no na TV stations no so radio stations no so enti encrophobi aye monopolistic but no me monopolistic na no mo ye was helping us kofo ba ye no be bia niemam so radio stations obi atimi be radio obi atimi be TV and then kwasiafo be bo wura papa na de na intentions was the best
okay
say we a businessman now per say the wo adwuma no oboa na ekọ na nimu a na de hu awura and then obi be TV station kwasasem nko an oyi kwasasem nko an oyi from morning to evening kwasasem nko o kwa so na tua ayi ono an light bill etua and the monthly ayi until we be able to come pass some channel. This is the country that we are living in.
No, so the fact that no channel light below in BBL and no a man of kind does it give him the
that is the work of the NMC. That is the work of the media National Media Commission. Also regulate what are supposed to be aired and what are not supposed to be aired. And he jai and obi radio so Chimika say oh obi toso obi no fokakraka me de me pema o mo toso me peliking me pedie on national radio no be atro no be di panyin bi atem am pa be so no be so TV be so radio no be to no di president atem kwase asem saa ni ate ase te se de mi kan because e penifo na na ama ho kwan am ye so ye kan san kwase asem first ka o kaso we fra me tuma kwase antimam ko we se saa ayi o afofra e di otumbo ani vie kwa ho otimi opa kasem ne ti otumbo sisi o tinkran ha ye be bo twinim sei ne dia afro.
That is also to say and nyama ye ekoso ye wo say a TV station so ye bani ebimu ana
enye bani ye bani binumu first NMC chairman also free na kunya so sisi
okay
ye wi a ye journalists ni so bebre wo say fire bebre wo say duma no mo retire
adentia
omo na engineers anima we nyina and then we be say me wo mala oba utua mame na buso me so a me kutua sika almost 400 million sika me nya ne he advert be na me nya abo enti advert no na malam biaba obo obetina so kushiri peska ba diska sen na me sen ma na wa moni ayi sa ye fu yi ton no efiri mitrim sisi e sa o de TV ni to wa sa fu ni ton best enom de yemu no
ba se nye malam fo nko na edi sa djuma yi o asofofo bi so ka mo
ye beba ho se o kan fu obi duafro no ne kan fu obi achacha that is one of the corrupt yi ni bi America na be bu o kan fu obi duafro na kan fu obi achacha se ne asofo no binom se ye mpamo yi abosonsomfo no fi TV so no wa aha etu wu ne ekọ na so di nachi
so mo de ko mo ya Christopher mo
Christopher die obi ni kwasasem Christopher obi ni kwasasem they were abosonsomfo omu ye very clean kwasafo na abam kwasafo abam omo ya azani ni na kwasafo abam mama ne obi timi tina TV so na ayi ose wo ye Illuminati group se opiska no ma ba no mo hyehyɛ ayi red and black you see aya ni nyina ya ho kyerɛ me ni nyina ka ko wi a ho kyerɛ because se bosome DSTV se utua be 3 point something na wo hwɛ niema papa wo hwɛ niema beboa documentaries wo hwɛ movies standard movies your site bi ehwepu no ho eno de otimi code to so ni nyina utua sika na wo hwɛ niema papa wo TV so a sebi send mama send no uto 1.5 desha eno ano ti da kingdom come there's no recharge eti eto da bia aho kyere so timi ledu e ma di nkwasi asem
na me ba o
eno ti no mo say ehiafo e ma na de bia sa nsem wetu o mo ehiafo man e be koso ato yesa e be to yesa because maybe ma mi nyesika ento DSTV e ma bo so me o me recharge de make what you say DSTV no so mo regulate niema o mo enem sini ya adwuma ya what time ma ye bibia na ade e say fekra o DSTV won say in an hour to another program I ever hear no near say you advert screens na say you see in 1 hour we say we say things fall apart 6 18 14 you say e what 6 40 e be
na say o she wa DSTV nko mo mu won hyehyɛ
yesika na nika say yesika se eti kura won ni nyina no wonam ba bia na Ghana wonam ba bia decoders na bu China for say the 50 cities there craba first no say you shoot TV port tintin bi no you know port na si so no aye say na dua bi hye finfin etu nya pompro nya pompro na de ahyem first no kura no me kai yesi wo fridge kura be say ekulu kese a no am fridge no TV port ni bi eti first Ghana onam Ghana wo de drone etwa Ghana apampamu a wo se bibi ese so tintintin etina ma the view of Ghana na nyefe ye wo hu chance dan bia no efie bi wo a efie doso wo hu post epuma bia poach akiri etunim esuo to a nipa bro
no
ye bu so bre
opo for me ba o mi chawa no bebre na so susu se eya awofo no entity bia o mu fa entity bia o mu fa o mu mane mfem enya entity
entity Ghana entity papa bay if you are not living in an apartment wo kum ehye one side na mo bom ho na nkora nso another side o mo da entity papa bay you
no but the fact say ebia se mo awofo no mu ni baby
wa baboni da baboni a wo say wo akola pa so ni batiti na me na aye wado
no na say wo kanu baboni a wo awofo ba time wo na wo ba and so you have every right to control your child
no dear sweetheart it's easier said than done it's easier said than done say obe kan dear ne kan dear simple than say ne ye no hwe obi ma ne ba bibia obi ehwe ne ba say de wo so hwe akola he does everything for the ban.
Okay.
I still akola.
I don't think say and I'm for film so account the friends that
you see, you can't control akola no all by yourself. You so many devices are a boama akola de no ho abrabo. And a child right ho. Ntia ene kora ye mu akola wo school. Where the akobo akola wo school say akola na e born into wo no. Obo na you say if you want to cane a child, it should be under the supervision of the headmaster. And it should not be more than 2 strokes. Child you me kai part time and child the time we be judge child. Child when you account come judge child. Na mo say school na be say am pass wa say this ne. Child of from cheba and the kai pa. Or see you cannot punish any ward without the supervision of the headmaster. And even if you want to punish the child, it should be no more than 2 strokes. 2 strokes, a man who born pa. But
then can you not say not somehow it is just for a buyani, you throw like a
but did you like it?
We were disciplined.
But did you like it?
Oh, a fun baby.
Oh, but
no, I
did
didn't like
you
it.
see that?
And I realized he say a woman I want my brabo.
Say what the about ya kola is akola wa Jimmy. So Bible say Jimmy sem bata abofra akoma ho ya de tia so aba
and etia
eti akola bi e be yusu aba wo so bia o say Bible na ma e panifo na yes anema we o eti akola bi e aba be kan de chese wa Jimmy eti me tie sa asem na se no me ba school na da ba kan na o so chem se me ba da Jimmy
me ba o na se wa so na me tie wa no so wa
so tie se na me kan say Jimmy phone what you say Jimmy phone where there Jimmy phone
abofo
eti say Jimmy phone se won control mu a almost say multitudes what you say almost say multitudes I can remember when I was teaching because say woman be na the Bible with Jesus kwani very stubborn we school more with me na one of the most disciplinary teacher on campus na busa ma me say the bani we was T sabe say one we base akro wo betwiri je BC
let us say maame no let us say some akofo edikasa awofo ni bi no entity omo mai na e no kro
maame no eye the possible best bia but na kola no emfa but you know one thing dear me pese yete ase ni say ade bi wo a e me yemfa eno no nye the blame point
but ene so ka ho
e ka ho fi say hwe yesi ye mo akola ye okwan bebre fa so a obetimi I establish a punishment. What you say? Unim enkrofo tim bebre did them e won ye mabi ho because of a quite fast so punishing one. And your fault. Kofo bebre did them e was an man no quite fast so punishing one. Hey, I make us a Ghana. Your problem ba ko so pa a result to say ma we ni na. Hey, how you treating your prisoners? Yes. Okay. I've gotten in touch with about 8 people are me ex-convicts.
Okay.
Sir, Kaswa issue. Akola bako ex-convict.
Wako prison aba.
Wako aba.
Bako anami you know.
Wako twice.
Wow.
Yes. We come one walk on we come the 3rd time. Now when him lucky enough say boy need to be kase ye che no otimi ye boy si wo de wo na wo no didi mate wo de be kwa ba beto
wow
onim se wo kwa sa ba beto nipa wo ku nipa
e je so mo be jano
oh say de na wo ko dem no say 100 years ko retire 10 years ko retire and people use money to influence judgment.
Na kole wo sha sika wo fi a wo betimi
sika be no fi se wo e babone a oh uti wo be bi nka na wo temo obeti nchen the community will tell you hey it what you better not palm be you too. People are going through trauma and confront them all nemu nipa ma botin be kasentia. You get somebody. But you about one day what to Sister, to be a to share obey what that she say, come say. To a shaman, collaboration could be none ye. Uber shama. A Korea could the Massay and Quenina. Uniska. As many Pamaka, no question work at you. Do everything. You try every means, corner about something to fight, say you want the free self.
I brought him so Banwa Kumnipa.
Wow, instant justice. I'm a woman at 1 Siendo. Instant justice. I'm a woman. A brand in your woman. And it is happening. And Timbrano, a year afafa. Oh, it's very dicey. A year, Obohaka cannot Bohaka. Say, Obokase, Ubi di Bonnie, Udi Bonnie, no. But Mrana say, say, one who say the panuclear the Bonnie a suspect. You need to prove beyond doubt, say, I'm pack me pano, or no, yeah. I bet you ever say, Ubi bit me a cock ubi, or the ashe ubi. Which you are corner cocotoso. Okotoso no, Kotoso will be superior. And pack what or buy and also jelly panel and the panel. I will say, you prove beyond every reasonable doubt. Say, I'm pack. The person is in the Kuna and you. It's in Bran to the beer, O can what you swaka. Now, the beer, your cassa and Brano and Okokota and Yano Crane can go, your camera. So, your camera and the walk out, you can't. Oh, me can be say, as my make no correct. We can be but you need to prove it. I don't know, I am a quarter seven. Make a walk on. Me a case now, I see you. Casual. So, if you need a colaba, a corner and friend Nicholas. Sacra, and me timid dear, bonny dear, me timid do.
I didn't see her.
I said, Minyana on, measure double bond. Minyana commit any free south or mammy. Bear one now. No police one shot and sun left and right. Now me man of punching, me body and me jam.
And I saw a collapse.
When you collapse in Hamisa, Team, I'm in Castle Cho. Sam Kalama. And they catch the other guy and they say, you will show more age or more to move you.
It is almost a age in a more.
Oh, yes. Omapa.
Wow.
Yes. And again, Odi can confirm me chair. Ba akone papa no so mu ne kun akwara no. Odru baby o musa se na critical no. Ne nia ba akono ka se e na we na yi ese wo se mi ni mu hwe. Bika bibia mi ni mu hwe. E to no twato me so. He's denying in the course of the act. We deny e wo fio in videos wo we deny. Okwa wo so no ne na ba ho. A be defend say so many issues going on.
And a branch no can no ekum no also on kasa. And why did
no kasa when they say or say I didn't even do obey something in a woman so. Many or ex-convict. na no ate he knows what he can say onim mra no onim de betimi ama wade wo ho okuni pa ne kora na enim kwa be fa so betimi ade wo akwara ne ni
na je so obi die wo san na wo say ye ma no edem for life a ompie biem
oh eno de e depend e kwa fa so asemisi
okay
ye wokum ene ye wokum so ye wokum na ekum bi wo ho a eye boapayo ekum bi wo esan enu nyina wo ni jail terms insanity.
Okay, yo obofo nansa na ye dey bibia ebeba awieye no DNA we betimi aye as a nation as a citizen no anasa as a mommo penimfo no DNA betimi aye dia so sa enyeme ye ekokosi ano
mama ye strengthen your institution bia e wo Ghana ha Ghana edin soso aye national responsibility o say ye edeboano what we are supposed to do ni say ye shemu kena ye mo resources kama ye mo no mutimi monetize zibibia wo Ghana ye nim say kakra but people should be proactive any kwase ye tena ho e ma asem isi ansa e ma asem isi a enyi ni se beboaye
okay na eye emebuni so no efutuo ben na wo edi ma wo efen pokunkunkum ni saka we asema
yes asema me kan say one malam bia obekọ ne ho mitimi kan jo say ja malam so ko and I say mitimi kan say ja spiritualist so ko
okay
because ni power ho a need to have spiritual consultations but no say bia wo ko busa wo shebrem and your home kwan so koye mitimi akosofo akoye wo shebrem and your home kwan so ba wo no catch you say ye nsie na ntwie ejina o manipa sunsun ntwie ejina o manipa etu onya request na ntwie pe hu say the next one e nipa eti hu ko be fa so tutu niema obi ane ni be deliver o se fa nipa enkwa jinipa kra free ni nsem bia say nipa no e trofo utimi free police ni e che say nipa na so masi we ya e ko no say me fa nipa mra le che so ku nipa oye suspect obitimi am ya che no e che na oni mra ni o yeso ahu se o fact bibia wo ho a de ma police na police agina so e de ache no ye fa nipa e kra empiska e de adwumaden wow sweat unya wo do wow sweat enyeska ni de de unya nice girls utimi win sapa because wo do sweat and I believe say and no betimi aboa and obi am pese obi live that hardship life obi ape enema kama aban tete niema so ema Ghana for omunsi affordable houses na omumpe bebia ye de less privilege for no e na obi wo so a ehia ni bebre susuma ne wo omunya gimi wo bebre no wo kakra se bo mo muska kora no se bi obetimi hwe ne makro omu bebre sa akora ya wo mu ekokun akora wo eyi wo mu wo sika no hajia na onu wo sika na omu target ni se o metimi che ne ba na o metimi nyeska no ono ni mayetu akwara wo ka hutu kwasia na onu kokun akwara no ne maame awo makomakoten eda so ti one fiance in room kwara makomakoten what are these people you said you know we must have kwara as future leaders sound kwasia future leaders we dey miss akwara we you future leaders no ho kofo eka schools a wo ya e kirewo ni future leader na ope o tie ayi John Mahama obi de be ko school worth over 150 million a hotel no atua na at what do ban nam futuro ka je se mu future leaders are very careful obi obe kasa se no dia ka de chiri ho re but nye no correct future leaders ni o mo future leaders oh ready to be real yeah real oh you see future leaders no na wo nam ayi saito na possibility say some crofo no ebetimi I make it in life no a 1 out of million
okay
and 1 out of 1,900 1 out of million me kind of me back school bi me mo school bi ba na e form me so manya swag me de me body pie na ba bi ese nkola games na omunkodi agora me ba no ko a o be lonely me na me na ko na me ma ko kire me bi twa me go down na kran sa de no ho tare na me sinti wo bam do ba be Eti mo kofi na me tina si dinam sa. Me mo say akra we ni we di nkomo. Ana o mo ye neighbors. They be me schoolmates. Ma me pe school papa na me ba ni classmate papa. Na me chenyi me ba ni school. The 2 years time, o mo ye golden tulip. Kumasi. Na me dem ba ni Kobe. Me come over, daddy, have seen my classmate. Daddy, have seen my classmate. Hey, here na me you know. Ya na me you know. One for boys kuko school papa, unya classmate papa. I'm telling you. Omo mo ko puku are no me Kumasi High. Any was one name premper no. You see their classmates everywhere. Tough another me bomb. It's mama yeah please with what we have. You're very cautious with your manner. Your manner near dachi. Say what to castle my or dachi no abraba obo. Because despite it make us at the back end and a dachi. Or no on a dachi nada. Kennedy should be a dachi nada. Me too mom dachi nada. Being custom by a dachi. What you say? And I will just live my life. Me try say me banner me bedding. Or me cook crabum. Ne bia. Me name si carry am pese. Me old age. Me kotina yachi na. Me bom cigar ba kubi na me mwet bia na say me belle bi si me check. Na fe be catch o bani a chero. Enti mo first kan kubi no. Sa kwase abatete ene sa enema ne de. Me bom pa say influ bia so. Ne ye live life a. Ye be live life e be boa yen. O man no so mo yen na ma the system no enye conducive. They be me can like be tua nko ano. Eti me depressed. E wo Ghana like be tua. O so me so na ohu wo chiche like be na. Ohu akwara na buofu. We don't reason no. People do they bro mo akutua ska. But you should not add. But wo head the rate the tua per kilobyte you use your electricity na. Ni na ye result to that. On your fuel some otoka fuel crown it's my headache. Yeah, very comfortable na. Live normal life. Me just say boy.
Yo. Adofo ye bebre na yaka na minim se wa wo share ye so ne no wo so wo aginkyere e de efa ene ensem ni dwumadie no obofo ye da se bebre wo futupa wo de ama adofo minim se be so wo share wa gini nti no me so be call YouTube channel too much GH. We bring you nothing but the best. The bia the dito and ye de bremu subscribe be na share wadin efa ene edwumade ya ye de ababe etuje meni se wo so wo niema wo pese wo ye de wo kan e de ebasa ensemi anase nkomo ya boy hu wo so follow on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter na me amedi ene edwumade e de bremu no me din e de afia enstroma
too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth